Hello and welcome to Finbyz Tech. In this video on the importance of customer relationship management in business growth. Today, we will be discussing why CRM is essential for businesses of all sizes and how it can be used to improve customer satisfaction, increase sales and revenue, and drive business growth. Identifying potential customers and lead management. The first step in successful lead management is identifying potential customers. This can be achieved through a variety of channels, including online advertising, social media, events, expos, and referrals. Once potential customers have been identified, it's important to gather information about them, including their name, contact information, organization name, email ID, and their business requirements. Lead management is a crucial component of any effective sales and marketing strategy. It encompasses the processes of identifying, nurturing, and converting potential customers into paying customers. By effectively managing leads, businesses can not only increase sales and revenue, but also improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. By combining the steps of identifying potential customers with lead management, businesses can achieve a more streamlined and successful sales process. Improving customer communication. Once leads have been identified and nurtured, the next step is to convert them into paying customers. This can be done through a variety of sales strategies, such as follow-up calls, email campaigns, or face-to-face meetings. It's important to have a clear and concise sales process in place, as well as a team that is trained and equipped to close deals. Increasing sales and revenue. Another key benefit of CRM is that it can be used to increase sales and revenue. By identifying sales opportunities and tracking customer sales orders generated against the quotations raised, businesses can close more deals and increase revenue. Additionally, CRM can help businesses to upsell and cross-sell to existing customers, which can also drive revenue growth. Enhancing customer loyalty and retention. Once customers have been converted, the next step is to retain them. This is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and improvement. By tracking customer interactions and satisfaction, businesses can identify areas for improvement and take steps to retain customers. Additionally, businesses can create loyalty programs, such as rewards for repeat customers, to further improve customer retention. In conclusion, identifying potential customers by using the CRM's lead management to identifying potential opportunity, sending them the appropriate quotation, and ensuring through the regular follow-ups those are converted into sales orders. In a nutshell, CRM helps in email campaigning, initializing the conversation, calls, meeting and follow-ups to reach to our customers. At Finbyz, we believe that all businesses should utilize CRM to reach their full potential. If you're interested in exploring the benefits of CRM for your business, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can send us an email or give us a call using the contact information provided in the description.